Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Flash Party game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the store page. Now from this page, just click on the search box, and now you can type in Flash Party to begin your search. Once you find the Flash Party game, go ahead and click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Library button in order to add the game to your library. You can then click on the Play Game or the Play Now option to begin the installation. You will be asked to choose your installation directory, and once you choose the location, you can complete the installation of the game in just a few clicks. And once the installation is completed, you can start to enjoy the Flash Party game on your device right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Flash Party PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.